In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to your Stripe setup. It's a simple process that will help you offer more flexible payment options to your customers, enhancing their shopping experience. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to head over to stripe.com. This is where we'll begin our journey of integrating Klarna. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email and password. It's important to ensure that you're logging into the correct account, particularly if you manage multiple businesses with Stripe. After filling in your credentials, go ahead and hit the Sign In button. Success! You're now in the heart of your Stripe dashboard. The next step is navigating to the Home section. You can usually find this option on the left-hand menu. It's where you begin any configuration changes or additions with Stripe. With your dashboard at your fingertips, look to the bottom of the menu for the Settings option. Clicking on this gives you access to a variety of settings related to your account and the products you offer through Stripe. Now, under the Settings, locate the Product Settings area. This section is key for managing the payment options available to your customers. In the product settings, you'll want to focus on the Payments tab. This is where we're going to switch on Klarna as a payment method. Once you've clicked into Payments, there's a subsection called Payment Method. This area is designed to manage which payment options are available on your checkout. Scroll through until you locate Klarna. Klarna allows customers to buy now and pay later, which can be a significant incentive for increasing sales and making your checkout process more versatile. Now that you've found Klarna, you'll notice it's not yet active. To switch Klarna on, simply click the toggle that indicates it's currently turned off. By activating Klarna, you're enabling your customers to choose this flexible payment option at checkout. And that's it, you've successfully added Klarna to your Stripe payment methods. This integration not only gives your customers more ways to pay, but also keeps your business competitive and attractive to modern shoppers. Remember, offering varied payment options can enhance customer satisfaction and potentially boost your sales. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy selling!